Hey everyone, this is Lori, and I'm back with another update with Kidazzler. If you're not familiar with what Kidazzler is, it is an up-and-coming app that parents can download on an Android or iOS device, and it has everything to do with kids and kid-friendly businesses that allow kids or cater to kids. And what Kidazzler is doing is they're offering a revenue sharing model where you could join and you could add businesses, get those businesses locked into your name, and when those businesses make the decision to pay for advertising on Kidazzler, you get part of the revenue from that advertisement, for that advertising package. Okay? This is going to be one of the easiest ways to make recurring, residual, passive income in 2019 and beyond. Okay? Now, I'm excited about this. I'm not hyping it up to be something it's not. But this number right here, $1,417, that's my potential earning. Okay, so what you do is when you join Kidazzler, and I have links out on my website. I hope that you'll join through me and become a part of my team. And what you do is you add businesses, and it could be doctors, it could be gaming places, movie theaters, restaurants, playgrounds, whatever is a great place for parents to take kids. That's what you want to add. Okay, now for right now, they're only allowing US and Canada, but eventually they're going to open it up worldwide. Okay, and I would venture to say that places like UK, Australia, possibly New Zealand are going to be added to the directory eventually. Okay, so for now it's just Canada and US, but again, they're going to go worldwide sometime in 2019, later on. Okay, so the earnings potential. You can earn up to $4,500 a month from your friends that you invite. Okay, and then you can make up to $300 a month. Now, these are just numbers that they're using examples of. Okay, there's no limit on what you can make with this. It really depends on how many people you add to your downline and how many people those people add to their downline. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the breakdown. Okay, so for me, I've added 40 businesses at potential of $10. At $10, it's potentially $400 per month. Okay, now one of the things I don't like about this is that they limit the number of businesses we can actually add. And I think they do that is because the reason that they do that is because they want to limit how many of the $10 they're going to have to pay out. That's what I think. Okay. But another way is you invite people to join, okay, and businesses added by your friends. So far, my friends or people I've invited have added 437 businesses. I can make $2 per business, which would equal $870 a month. Remember, this is ongoing. This is residual recurring income monthly. Okay? And then businesses added by friends of your friends. So the people up here that I've invited have invited other people, and those people have added 286 businesses. Excuse me. And at this point, I can make 50 cents per business that they've added, which is $143. Now, I'm going to unlock the max earnings. Okay, so for the businesses that your direct referrals, okay, so it's a two-tier thing. You can make up to $1 per business for your downline's downline. Okay, or your friends of your friends that you've invited. Okay, so for right now, I'm making the 50 cents, but as I add more people and more people join and they add more businesses and those people add more people and so on, I can eventually work my way up to $1 per business. Okay, so the money doesn't just lie in adding businesses. The real money comes from adding people. Okay, now I do want to stress, it doesn't cost anything for us to do this as members. This is all free. And the other cool thing is we don't have to sell the packages or the advertisement. Kidazzler will do that. What we're doing is we're providing them with the businesses. And it's really easy. All you have to do is add the business name, the phone number, the address, the category that they're in, and it's a drop-down menu. And if they have a website, add the website, and if they have an email, add the email. Kidazzler is going to do the rest. Okay? So this is a really cool opportunity. All right, I don't want to show the names of my downline because I don't want them to be contacted. So I'm going to keep that private. But on the 15th of every month, Kidazzler is going to increase the amount of businesses we have by 5. So right now the max is 40. The 15th, I can go ahead and add 5 more businesses and bump it up to 45. And they're going to keep doing that every month until, I believe, March. Okay? Now, like I said, please really look at this and consider this as a good opportunity. Now, I wrote an extensive review about it where I explain everything as I understand it. So it's, it's pretty, see, I just updated this on the 7th. It's the 9th. And I've already added almost $100. Or not quite $100, but what, $40. Okay? So not even close to $100. But I'm not doing anything. It's the people that I'm inviting that's doing the work. Okay? And then they've got people that they're inviting that are doing the work. So the more businesses we can add, the more money we're going to make from the businesses and our downline. Okay? So this is an opportunity that I'd hate for you to, pass up on. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait till April when they actually start getting the, communicating with the businesses, getting them to consider advertising and paying for the advertising. Now, I do want to point out, okay, that this is a potential earning. Now, realistically, not every business is going to do the paid advertising. Okay, that's not realistic. Okay, but even if you make $500 residual a month, that's $500. That's a car payment and maybe a couple of other bills. Okay, so it's worth it. All right, so please click on the link in the description. You go out to my website. I have several places where you can join. It's really easy to set up your account. Just verify your email and start adding the businesses. And if you do join through my link, please, please contact me so I can give you some pointers on some businesses that some people probably aren't even thinking about. Okay? So please contact me and, get ready to add those businesses or add more businesses on the 15th of every month. Okay? So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Get on this opportunity before they lock it out to everybody else. Okay? So this is a great opportunity to get involved with, and it's indefinite. You know, the amount of money you can make is unlimited, and it's residual, it's recurring. I'm so excited. I can't wait, and I hope that you'll join. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.